Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a very vintage Stihl 090 chainsaw. This one I pulled out of a barn of a timber cutter and been sitting there forever. It has a 42-inch barn chain, 404 sprocket nose, and we'll take a close-up look at it. All I had to do to get it to run was put some fresh fuel in it and prime it, and away it went. It is vintage and probably will need some tinkering if you want to run this on a daily basis, and we'll show you some of the features it has. This is not the original choke, but it's a functional choke. Fuel reservoir up front here. Got the large falling spikes. They're very large. Approximately 4 or 5 inches out here on each side. Muffler's in great shape. Wrap handlebars. And it's missing a couple fins right here. Just a tremendous, powerful chainsaw. I did remove the muffler and look inside. The piston cylinder appeared to be in very good shape. We'll go outside and make a cut with this saw.